आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So the question says that if a, b, c are non-zero real numbers and if the system of equations a minus 1 into x is equals to y plus z, b minus 1 into y is equals to z plus x and c minus 1 into z is equals to x plus y. So we have given three equations and it has non-trivial solutions, so its determinant is equals to 0. So we have given three equations. First one is a minus 1 into x is equals to y plus z. Second equation will be b minus 1 into y is equals to z plus x. Third equation will be c minus 1 into z is equals to x plus y. Now we can just simplify them, so we can write in a correct order. So we can write it as, that is, our first equation will be a minus 1 into x minus y minus z is equals to 0. Our second equation will be z minus b minus 1 into y plus z is equals to 0. Our third equation will be x plus y minus of c minus 1 into z is equals to 0. From here we can write it as, now its determinant is equals to 0 because we have given that it has non-trivial solutions. So we can write it as a minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Here we have 1 and here we can write it as minus of b minus 1, so we can write it as 1 minus b. And here we have 1 and here we can write it as, here we have x plus y, that is 1 1 and 1 minus c, and its value is equals to 0. So first of all we have to apply row operation, so we can equate it, so we can open this determinant in a very easy manner. So we can apply row operations on first row and second row. So we can write it as r1 is equals to r1 plus r2 and our r2 is equals to, so first of all we have to apply row operation on first row, or then we apply row operation on second row, so we can write it as r2 is equals to r2 minus of r3. So we can write it as, here we have the remaining will be a minus 1 plus 1, then remaining will be a, here we have minus of b and here we have 0, and on second row we can write as, here we have 0, here we have minus of b and here we have plus c. Now the remaining will be 1 1 and 1 minus c and its value is equals to 0. Now we can open this determinant from first row, so we can open this determinant from first row, so we can write it as a times of, and here we can write it as minus of b times of 1 minus c minus of c, and here we can write it as plus b times of, this will be 0 and this will be minus of c, and it is equals to 0. Now we can simplify it, so we can write it as a times of, here we have minus b plus bc minus of c minus of bc is equals to 0. So we can write it as minus ab minus ac plus abc minus of bc is equals to 0. So from here we can write it as, its value is equals to ab plus bc plus ac is equals to a, b and c. So we can write it as hence proved.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।